Today you are going to see how to design a logo using circular grids. In this video you are going to see how to design a music company logo using grid lines. So first things first, very first we need to draw our grids. Let's jump into the screen. So let's select the line segment tool, draw a line by holding shift, then make a copy of it by holding Alt and dragging it. Now we can make the other lines very easily by pressing Ctrl and D. For this logo you should make at least 9 lines. Now select all, make a copy of all, rotate it 90 degree by holding shift. Now we should draw our circular grids within these lines. Make sure to hold shift button when creating the circle. Make a copy, paste it in front and make it bigger to the next point, and again don't forget to hold shift, make another copy, follow the same process and draw 4 circles. Let's select all and select the shape builder tool. We will draw our logo within this area. So let's carefully build our shape. You need to click and drag the certain area to draw the logo. Sorry, I forgot about it. Make sure to switch it to fill color. It will make your next process hassle free. Draw carefully. Okay, I will leave this place and this place as well. So draw our outer line, I mean the outer circle of the music icon. Draw carefully. Okay, don't worry, if you make any mistake just press Ctrl G to undo and you can start again. Okay, I am almost done. Okay, yes, let's select these two by holding shift, and you can move the artboard like me by holding space button anytime. Delete the rest. Here is our logo. Turn off the stroke color. Let's apply color on it. Red color for the music icon. Okay, red color, something close to the red, and something like dark blue for the circle. Okay, here is the logo. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.